Hi everyone. So today is February the 28th and I'm out here getting ready to start cleaning the greenhouse. So I thought I'd bring you along and show you what it looks like before I start doing any cleaning. So we're not anywhere near starting to bring anything out, but I just wanted you to see where things are at. As you can see, a lot of that is all the chives from last year, and then it's interspersed with the garlic that I'm growing. Basically, the greenhouse is full of garlic right now. And if I can find my little labels, I'll tell you which one is planted where. All right, I'm going to just give you a panel before I try to figure out which garlic is planted where. It's my bag of straws. It's in the way here, but you get the idea. So we have garlic all the way around. I should start off by mentioning that in this corner, when you come right in, that corner and that corner right there, I did not put garlic in those two sections because I figured out that, I'm thinking that if I put my lettuce on this side and plant it heavily, like we had last year when that packet fell, in this section of the greenhouse, then I would have enough spinach and lettuce for the springtime. And I went ahead and sprinkled spinach on one side and lettuce on the other side, and I don't know if you can see this, but you can already tell that these little plants coming up. So hopefully we'll have lots of lettuce and lots of spinach. Anyway, back to where we were at. So this first section over here, we have the Italian garlic, and I cannot see the full name of that label. Most of it has faded off, so I need to come in with my I think it's called an extreme Sharpie, and rewrite the names of these labels. Then over here, this section over here, I have my elephant garlic. And then as we move into this section over here, I have my German hardy. And then in this section here in the middle, we have the, I don't know if I can say that name right. Let me see if we can zoom into that little label. So that's the garlic that we have right there, and that's a Softneck garlic. So that's the name right there. And then in this corner over here, that whole corner over there, we have the red Chesnok, and that goes quite a ways. I got quite a few of that red Chesnok, so that goes all the way over there. And then in this section over here, we have the music garlic. And as you can see, I have a lot of cleanup to do. And I had thought I would clean this out at the end of summer. And I decided I was just going to leave it there. Because what I decided to do is I'm just going to come through and let those dried out leaves drop in here. And once I'm done doing that, then I'll break off the dried out sticks and we can throw those away. And as you can see, and I'm not sure, so I left this in here, and that's a Swiss chard. And so I don't know if it's going to come back or not, but I also planted some new Swiss chard in between, and I also have some more Swiss chard in my little nursery shelf. So if this do not pan out, then I have the new ones that I am growing. Let me see, what else should I point out in here? I think that's about it. So I should have enough garlic to last us throughout the year. And I should also mention that I'm just now starting to finish, well, not finish. I opened the last bag of the garlic that we grew from last year. So it looks like I will have enough until this garlic is ready. So that is it for today. And we will see you on the next one. Bye, Teenies.